Kitalo embeera Bobi gy'alimu mu dwaliro akaabye amaziga oluvannyuma lw'okkubibwa amasasi mu kugulu. Mukyala we Barbie amaanyi gamuwedde era nga mu mukyala Shamim Malende avuddeyo n'annyonnyola byonna ebigenda mu maaso abasawo bwe babagambye n'ebeera yakunyolwa y'amaziga bikwasa ennaku ogenda kubeera ng'obyerabirako mu maaso awo naye nga mwasuze mutya musibe mutya gwena omulungi ampuliriza Ochon Media kuwole subscribe for more updates like share and comment weerabire okunyiga notification bell obenga notified bwe nteekawo video empya nyongera okubajjukiza tuzuula omwagalwawo tukola airport pickup tukyusa ne ssente tukola surprise ne delivery tusiba ebimuli bya ssente tusiba n'ebiro by'oku mikolo tukuguliza n'ebintu deliveringa munange namba yaffe kuli ku screen tu inboxing oba tukubire ojje ku WhatsApp twogere tukuzuulire omwagalwawo ove mu kubeera ate nga olimbibwa tukola airport pickup emiwendo gyaffe giri wansi ddala era nga bw'ogiraba weewalala gy'ogenda okusanga emiwendo egiri wansi nga ffe gye tutambulizaako bakiliyantisi baffe tetubaseera lwansonga naffe twali twakubye ku kyeyo tumanyi essente y'ekyeyo si nnyangu munange jangu ku WhatsApp twogerezeganye tuteeseganye ate n'okusalirako tukusalirako kasita obeera ng'otunyonnyodde ensawo yo bw'eyimiridde tetusobola kulemererwa jangu tutambule ffenna ku miwendo egyansi ddala tukulambulize family airport yonna bakulabe ng'olandinga njogere kindeke balabe ennyonyi ng'elandinga byonna jangu ku WhatsApp twogerezeganye tuteeseganye banange ba September mulina ofaayo yonna gibawadde dda ate nawo wa October owa November December mwenna musobola okubeera ate nga mubookinga mu budde nga bukyali nga ofeni ekyagendera ddala mu maaso jana airport pickup banaye mutwesige nyongera okubaza abakiliyantisi baffe bonna abatambudde naffe abatuwagidde nsaba Katonda abaddizeewo naye nga mujje tutambule ffena katugende mu maaso olabe omukyala Shamim Malende bw'annyonnyodde embeera egenda mu maaso mu ddwaliro.
Rushed here at Sabia Hospital where he is currently. The doctors are working tirelessly on him. We've had an opportunity to see him, and the First Lady Barbie is there, and she's in attendance of her husband. And we are so happy that at least the president can recognize people, and he's alive. Though he's still in so much pain because of, the injury that he has sustained. And according to the doctors that have examined him, he will need to go for a surgery, for further surgery, because the gunshot or the canister, the damage that he got, the injury that he got on his leg, they really need to do some surgical operation on him to see that everything is in order, to check the bones and all that stuff. So that is how things are. Right now as I speak, the medical personnel have limited public access to him because they need him to rest, because he's in so much pain and he has to go through an operation. We are not yet sure whether he's going to have it from here or it's going to be conducted somewhere else, but rest assured that he must undergo an operation because of the injury. They need to work on his leg to see whether he will be able to walk again and all that stuff. So we all need to put him in our prayers. We have also got information that some of his bodyguards, the official ones, they have sustained the injuries during the scuffle, and there are some who are admitted in some places. But also some people that we are moving, or they were moving with him, they also got some injuries. But we've also got information that many people were arrested around Bolinto there, and their whereabouts are not yet known. We don't know which police stations they have been kept, but we have spoken with the president to ensure that we fall up to that dot so that we can ensure that justice is good for each and every one. For our incarcerated comrades, as you all know, Shamim Malende, I always offer those services free of charge, and we'll be there to see that we do our best to secure our comrades. But for now, we are doing our best to see that every person gets the necessary treatment that they can get. And right now, what they need most, including our president, are your prayers, because the president is in so much pain. And of course, he's strong, but he's in pain. That's what I can tell you. I just want to thank our teams in the diaspora. I want to thank our teams in Kampala, our Wakiso and all other places. I also want to thank the very many people that have turned up. Some people have come from Masaka, they have come from Mitiana, they have come from Kampala, they've come from far areas as far as the north to come and see the president when they heard the news. So it is really very, very serious. So we just need to put him in prayers, and we put all our comrades in prayer. But before I conclude and say bye to you, it is I just need to tell you that this is what we've been talking about in Uganda when we speak of the health sector, equipping the health sector, paying our medical personnel well, and ensuring that we do not divert funds that are meant to benefit the common person. That this is what we mean. We need hospitals that are well equipped. Necessarily resorting to far away places. Parliament passed the funds in billions of money for the Laba hospital, which up to now, we as members of parliament, including the committees that are responsible, have been denied access to inspect the Laba project, the Laba hospital project. So these are things that we're talking about. So when we speak against misuse of public funds, when we speak against violation of rights, this is what we mean. Everyone is a victim. So let's all speak up against injustice, because it has no party colors. Yeah, we have seen the police has released the statement, the security has released the statement trying to distance itself from the occurrence and trying to implicate the Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, that he, like as if it was his own, making, like he stumbled and fell, and for them they are saying that is how he got the injury. And it is very disheartening because we have evidence, we have videos of the shootings. We have actually even evidence of the persons that were shooting at him and at the congregation or the crowd. So it is very disheartening. But we just want to tell everyone that when in a system where the law does not work, or where there is misapplication of the law or discriminatory application of the law, people take the law into their hands. So it is very important that as we rule over people, we must ensure that the law works. We just want to urge everyone and all the line offices that are responsible to bring the culprits to book, and justice is seen to be done. But we also demand for the immediate release of all those persons that we arrested at this scene, because they committed no crime. They were just, chanting Kyagulanyi and, waving at him, and they did not commit any offense. And if any offense that is suspected to have been committed, the law should follow its course to the latter. So that is how things are. Like I told you, I just came to give you a brief. As you see us here, we are from Zambia Hospital right now. And previously in that day, we spent it at Kitalo prison because we had gone to interview our comrades, including Sami the Mighty family, because this matter is coming up this week at Uganda Road again. So we have to appear in court with him. We also wanted to interview some NOP supporters and some other persons there in prison. But some of them were denied access because they said it is not a visitation day. They only gave us Sami because we explained to them that his court is coming up this week. So basically that is it, and that is how we got the news. We got the news as we're coming from Kitalo. Because when you are entering Kitalo, all these prisons, the money is, all the funds are taken away from you. So by the time I got to know the news, it was after getting out of Kitalo, after interviewing our clients, after interviewing the Sami the Mighty family, and they also gave us an ordeal, which I gave you a brief TikTok live that I did earlier in the day. But that is it. So basically, that is how we got the news, and we had to just cross up to Zambia Hospital.
So mu bufunze embeera egenda mu ddwaliro bwetyo bweyimiridde tusaba Katonda bambe amusuuse. Jena airport pickup tukyusa ssente tukola surprise ne delivery tusiba ebimuli bya ssente tusiba n'ebiro by'okumikolo tukuguliza n'emitwe tudelivaringa. Nange jangu tutambule ffenna ku mirundi egyansi ddala nga bw'ogiraba tukusalirako tetusobola kulemererwa ate munayi n'okusinziira ensawo yo nga bw'eyimiridde. Jangu WhatsApp tuteese tetusobola kubeera ate nga tulemerwa. Jena airport pickup mutwesige tulambuze family yammwe tulambuze bazadde bo balabe ennyonyi ng'elandinga baleke kulekeraawo kuzirabira mu videos basobole okuzirabako live n'abaana bo babirabe ng'olandinga tubalambuze Entebbe airport yonna. Okyaliko Channel Media, subscribe for more updates, like, share and comment. Tewirabira okunyiga notification bell obenga notified during take out video empya. Mikwano mujje tutambule ffenna va mu comment section jangu WhatsApp tuteese kuba mu comment section tekiggwa baddiya jangu WhatsApp onyonyole bulungi w'olaga w'okuma n'ebisingawo. Thank you.